Maybe I'll try to disconnect it.
Man, those 701s are pretty sweet, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wish I had one of those for sure, but at the same time, it's a little too much for dirt. You know, probably.
It's absurd for dirt. Like,
yeah.
I don't even know why they made the Enduro. Like, I took my DRZ Supermoto 400 off-road, and I was like, this thing is a monster off-road, you know? Like,
yeah.
I can't imagine with this thing.
I'm getting ready to get a new dirt bike, and I'm thinking about getting like a bed of 500 as an example. But at the same time, you know, I'm thinking about the 300 two-stroke. It's really hard to make my decision. And then they have a 480 and a 430, you know, so I want to try them all. I want to try them all. This thing looks so sweet, though. I like your little skid plate on the bottom.
Yeah.
P3 makes that. That's what I love. That's what I love, though.
My Aprilia is terrible at wheelies with all the traction control and stuff. You gotta turn everything off. This thing is
And then you threw Scots on there.
A better rider at it, you know?
Yeah. Did you feel you needed the Scots on this one to really get bad head shake?
When I bought it, it had the skid plate in.
Oh, okay.
He has money, so
on the dirt, that would be useful.
Yeah.
On the street, not a huge deal.
Coming over rises, maybe.
Man, look how fat the seat is, dude.
It's ridiculous. They're tall, fat, and comfy.
Tall, fat, and comfy. Anyways, guys, my name is Marcel Irnie, and we are at Let's Ride Trackdays Tech. This is morning tech. All right, carry on. Wheelie.
How are you doing today?
A little tired this morning.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, I slept in from 6:30 to 7. I'm like, forget that first alarm.
No, yeah.
But you couldn't do that.
If I didn't have to be out here early, then I would have
Yeah.
just slept right in.
There
How's it
you go.
going? You here for tech?
Wow, look at this FC09, huh? There you go.
Oh,
Check that throttle. Check that throttle, right? Just gotta go back. Yeah. 15,000 miles. You rode it a little bit, huh? Yeah. Is it your first, second, third bike? What's the story?
First bike.
First bike, really?
Second bike to the track.
Yeah. All right. So, how many track days have you done?
This is my second one right now.
Did you ride yesterday then?
No.
Okay. Where was your first track day?
Big Willow.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you pretty much picked one of the shittiest tracks to start on.
Yeah.
And then this one will be a little better probably.
Yeah.
Were you on Big Willow when it was repaved? Because now they top coated it.
Yeah.
How bumpy was it?
It's a little bit.
But better than it was? Well, you wouldn't know, but it used to be pretty bumpy.
Yeah.
How many people does it take to put a sticker on the bike? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, I know. You need one supervisor, you need one owner, you need one person actually doing the work, and another person sub-supervising. And one guy taking photos. There you go, Gixxer.
Excellent.
What is this one, 750?
Yeah,
Look at that, I just guessed right on the dot.
you're on it,
It's hard to tell.
right?
Oh, except for if I looked right here.
Where
Bam.
it says 750? I don't know. I feel like everybody's all with the Yamaha.
Oh yeah, there was a huge Yamaha like craziness still going on. The R1 craze everyone had. I was the only one with the BMW in 2012.
One of our
Everyone went the R1s after that.
we still need to put a little table.
This your first bike or?
They're disconnected. They let me go yesterday.
That's fine. Let's go down.
Well, they're not actually glass anymore. You know, there's no glass to shatter, right?
Right.
The tape is kind of like, you know, it adds up one day.
I unplugged them because I noticed everybody else.
How are you doing, friends?
Hey.
Just meet you.
Good morning.
Tom Taylor.
What's your name?
Tom Taylor.
Tom Taylor.
Tom Taylor. It's true.
Holy
That's a cool name.
So what is this, the 2012?
Yeah, it is.
Yep. 2012. Well, yeah, same thing. I know, it's hard to tell the paint schemes, remember them all. Did you buy it brand new?
No, it's actually my buddy's bike. I'm picking up an Aprilia next week.
Oh, what kind? RSV or something?
Yeah, RSV4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You gonna get brand new?
No, 2012.
Okay, so you found a used one again. Switching the 12 for 13 for 12. Yeah. Oh, he's got one of these exhausts. Oh yeah. They look cool because you don't see the exhaust, but they're the most inefficient exhaust. What are they called? TaylorMade? Yeah, they are absolutely garbage. It's like a car muffler in there and the thing just falls apart. No offense to your friend's bike. Now, this bike looks pretty sweet.
Thank you.
I love that paint. That's OEM paint.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Keep her clean. There you go.
Trying. Keeping it dry.
959. Is this your like third, fifth bike or what?
Third, fifth, yes.
Yeah.
Third, fifth.
How's it going?
It's going good.
What made you decide on the 959?
You know, it was just the V4 is big, and you know, for most of the local tracks, you don't necessarily need it. I don't race, so it's smaller, it's lighter.
You mind turn your key on so you can see the dash?
Oh, sure.
Yeah, exactly. So you want a 600 essentially.
Oh, was it?
Oh yeah.
I just had it serviced.
How many miles you got it now? 4,000?
Yeah, about 4,000.
4,100. Sorry, I'm in your way.
Hi, Donna. Hello. You just wanted to touch the Ducati, didn't you? Yeah.
Yeah, she just showed up out of nowhere.
Like, Ducati's here.
And here we got an Aprilia. We got two.
It is. I had $5,000 later. I had to get an engine.
Yeah. Because it was just put together yesterday, so.
You're not feeling comfortable with
He wants, you know, a second set of eyes.
Over here like a commoner.
This is Robert's bike, I'm assuming.
Yes. It's just good to get a second.
Sweet beard, Robert's rocking.
You were out here yesterday?
No, I was put together. Why was it a part?
This is the 45.
He was gone. He's been
54.
gone forever.
Oh look, this is number 115, 200 on the limited edition.
So the valve spring broke, which broke.
Oh, sorry. Watch those glasses.
These are glasses. These are good glasses.
I know, you don't want to hit the ground.
Yeah, let me show you.
Oh, Sarah, you supply gear as well.
I have so much gear.
Can I take a little peek past you?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see. Yeah, so people can come and have some gear. There you
So
go.
take a look at this real quick. Hold on that. This is a release.
There you go. This bike's all blacked out. Night Rider of the track. Oh, this is an 06. This is an 06 Gixxer 750, the first of that gen. That was my first bike.
It's an awesome bike.
Oh, such a great first bike on the street too.
It's good all around.
Second gear, you could just do a throttle chop to get it to wheelie. Oh, it's so much fun. Yeah, this bike was my Night Rider days. The police gave me the nickname the Night Rider.
The 06 and I have the 16.
Another 959. You're the second one through, bud. It's too late. No homers, right? You remember that episode? It's only one homer allowed. Only one 959.
I knew it. I should have come here before I checked in. I knew it.
Oh, there's the stock then. What year is this one?
2017.
17. And here's the B bike or A bike maybe. RSV4RR. You even got the shirt.
I do. I represent my bike. I love my bike.
Your bike represents you and you represent back.
Yes.
How do you like the Aprilia?
Love her. Amazing.
What's her name?
Lucy.
Okay, good. I was afraid you'd actually just don't have a name.
No, short for Lucifer.
That's right. So you need a little sticker that says Lucy right here.
I do. I should have one actually.
Yeah, go to that vinyl person, print them out. Is this your, how many bikes have you had before, Lucy?
I had Kira, I had Opa, and another one.
Awesome, there you go. You're on the name train too. I did the same thing. We've had a lot of BMWs, Hans, Franz, Arnold,
Yes.
Neo, Merlin, and Emrys. These are all my BMWs.
That's awesome.
Mostly German names. What's your name?
I'm Crystal.
Crystal, hanging out with Lucy. All right, we'll have fun today. Let's ride Trackdays. Anyways, guys, my name is Marcel Irnie, host of the world's best motorcycles. This is Lucy. Thanks for watching. Cheers.
say at Riders Meet